So let's go through them once again. What have been the flip-flops of the government in this regard? November 8th, when the policy was announced, and after that we saw that how there was the first announcement that was done for the exchange of notes. On November 9th, it was 4,000 per day that was allowed, and we have seen that this amount was changed to 2,500 rupees per day going ahead. So from 4,000 became 4,500, and after that it was 2,500, and ultimately the exchange of notes stopped after November 24th. Only RBI counters is where you can exchange these notes. Not only that, on withdrawal limit as well, there has been a change in the policy from the government, and it's called the demonetization, changing rules. You never know which are the rules that are coming in, because these are decisions taken by the government as and when they are also getting feedback from the people that what kind of a systemic change is required. So withdrawal from ATM is 2,500 per day from 13th of November that we had seen, and this was also once again which was changed from withdrawal from account, which was 10,000 rupees per day on November 9th. And it was changed to 24,000 per day. But even here there's a catch, because most of the banks are not giving out 24,000 per day bank amount. They do not have the cash, so they are making their own arrangement of giving out smaller amounts. Use of old notes deadline has been extended till December 15, after which it was discontinued. Let me go across to Ilma, who's joining us from the capital, and also Virendra, who's joining us from Mumbai. First, going across to Ilma, what kind of difficulties are people facing, Ilma? Do you see a change with more people coming in with their old notes this time in the bank? Are they ready to face questions from the bank officials?
Well, absolutely, Devina. You know, we had seen shorter lines in the past few days because of the fact that people knew that they had 50 days. But now you see a long line for people waiting to deposit their money outside this particular bank in the heart of Delhi in Connaught Place. Yesterday, when we went to people, no one was aware of the new rule. No one was aware of the new notification. And when they heard about it, they said that they don't have any black money. They're okay with being able to deposit their money just once. But today, people seem to be singing a different tune. All of them are saying that there was one thing that they were sure about, the fact that they could keep depositing their money till the 30th of December, and this constant flip-flop by the government is making them face a lot of inconvenience, because they only find out about these rules once they come to the bank. Let's speak to some people who have been waiting here. सर, कल गवर्नमेंट ने कल आरबीआई ने अनाउंस करा कि आप अगर 5,000 से ज़्यादा डिपॉजिट करेंगे आप एक ही बार कर सकते हैं, और बैंक ऑफिशियल्स आपको क्वेश्चन भी कर सकते हैं. आपको इसके बारे में क्या लगता है?
मैम देखिए, जब से ये प्रक्रिया शुरू हुई है, इसमें कभी ये 24,000 रुपये कहते हैं, बैंक वाले सिर्फ 10,000 देते हैं कि कैश नहीं है, कभी कुछ घोषणा करते हैं, कभी कुछ घोषणा करते हैं. और इसमें सिर्फ मोदी जी ने कुछ लोगों को पकड़ने के लिए, या जो ब्लैक मनी को मतलब ऑब्जर्व करने के लिए जो ये स्कीम चलाई है, इसमें तो आम आदमी पिस रहा है. और बकौल साहब, मैं एक आपसे एक चीज़ कहना चाहता हूँ कि लम्हों ने खता की है, सदियों ने सजा पाई है.
सर, आप बताइए, आपको क्या?
जी मैम, ये जो कल 5,000 रुपये का है मैम, एक्चुअली अभी तक कैश की शॉर्टेज है, वैसे ही कैश नहीं मिल पा रहा. लोग बैंकों में धक्के खा रहे हैं, परेशान हो रहे हैं. और दूसरा, जहाँ तक 5,000 का, तो 30 तक जब डिक्लेयर हो गया कि 30 तक 5,000 जमा होंगे, तो फिर बीच में क्या नया, पहले ही एक्चुअली बैंकों में इतनी लाइन है, अब आदमी ने लाइन की वजह से बीच में जमा नहीं करा के बाद में जमा कर देंगे.
Still, that's what everyone is saying, Devina. We were assured that till 30th December we could keep depositing our money. So why are the rules constantly changing? So as you can see, there's a long line outside the ICICI Bank with everyone waiting to deposit money. They said they were hoping till the holiday season comes, when they could go towards the latter part of the month and deposit. Okay. But now there's a lot of chaos and confusion.
Absolutely. Be with us, Ilma, because we have to slip into a short break. Virendra and Nolan still with us. Virendra, will come to you more about the RBI directive that we've seen yesterday about the new currency also being floated in the market of 50 and 500 rupee notes. Welcome back. Staying with the story of how there's been yet another policy change this week from the Reserve Bank of India. Going across to Virendra and Nolan, who are joining us very quickly. Nolan, what's the impact that you're seeing in Bengaluru?
Well, in fact, people are extremely miffed with the flip-flops that they are seeing from the RBI. In fact, behind me is the Axis Bank. Now, a few of the bank staff who actually came over here, I spoke to them. I said, the new guidelines came about yesterday. Are you ready? He smiled. In fact, he said that we are only now to come and discuss what are we to do. Who will be the two people who will look into it? How we'll go about with it? They do not know, because according to the RBI guidelines, they need to also keep track of who they are speaking to, what the answers that they give So as of now, even they are left in the lurch.
Yes.
They do not know what's to be done.
Absolutely,
They are waiting for
and
their
Nolan,
senior staff
it's
to come
interesting. And Nolan, it's interesting because this entire move is to make banks more accountable. Axis Bank is one of those banks where the radar is very strong from the IT department. Going across to Virendra now. Virendra, we've seen another new notification from the Reserve Bank of India for new 50 and 500 rupee notes. Give our viewers a sense of what exactly is the RBI planning and how it will help in fighting the counterfeit currency.
Now, first of all, the 50 and the new 500 rupees is as per the strategy to bring new notes, because that will have insert letter of L and R with the year number 2016 and a new signature of Urjit Patel. So that is technically expected, fair enough, because that would be valid. Even the current note of 50 and 500, that is a legal tender. But coming back to that, what the finance minister said about rupees 5,000, he said that even if you deposit more than 5,000 rupees, any X amount, you won't be questioned. But at the same time, if you don't, if you come again, you will be questioned. That is very tricky part, because at the end of it, Devina, even you know that
Yes.
if you cross the limit of 2,500, 2,50,000, definitely that would be questioned by any of the banker. And this time, its whole idea is to tap that 2.5 lakh crore, which is missing
Yes.
somewhere. Government is expecting to tap those black money which is still lying in the cupboards and the storage of most of the people
Okay.
and who are waiting for the deadline. And this is
Okay.
a strategy to tap that money.